install Go, first we need to update the system, and for that we will be using sudo apt update. So basically what the command sudo apt update does is it finds all the upgradable packages and downloads them. After this, the command we are going to execute is sudo apt upgrade. Sudo apt upgrade command applies the latest changes. After this, we will be installing Go for our Kali Linux, and we will go to the golang.org and then clicking on download Go. The other thing we can do is we can install Go by executing wget command and the URL to download Go. Now we are on the Go website and we will copy link location to the tar file. Now we paste the copied link on the terminal with wget command to download Go. Now you can see that Go is getting downloaded. Now we can see that Go tarball has been downloaded successfully. The file will contain tar.gz extension, which means it is a gzip tar file. So what we need to do is now we will extract the Golang binaries tarball, and we need to extract the tarball using the tar command to a directory of our own choice. So for this purpose we will be using user local for our convenience. So let's start extracting the tarball using the command. In above you can see that there are some flags that are used. The flag C means copy to the directory we gave. The flags XZF are three separate flags in union. X for extracting, Z for gzip, F for the file. The file has been extracted to the directory user local. To check if extraction is successful, simply go to the directory using the cd command. So now using ls command we can see that Go is successfully installed in our selected directory. Now what we need to do, we will set the path for Go so that we can access it from anywhere in the Linux terminal. For that, first you need to verify that what our current path variable is. To check that, simply we will type equal $. Now we can see that Go path is not set, so we need to set that first. To set the path, we will open .profile file in our home directory. Then we will append the path modification to that file and we will save it. So let's do that. First we will run the command. To open the file for editing, we will use nano, an integrated text editor, to edit the file. After successfully pasting the export part, we can save the profile and run source.profile to apply the changes in the system. Now after doing that, we have to check the installed Go version, so we will simply type go space version, and you can see that we have successfully fetched Go version. Go version is fetched, it means that Go is installed successfully. Now you have to stay tuned for more security related videos, and don't forget to subscribe RedHat Security.